Pop-ups are a way to invite your website visitors to fully engage with your content, product, or services. When you ask a visitor to join your mailing list or participate in a survey, you're basically asking them to dedicate some of their time to you. So now, where to start and how to design a pop-up? I can show you. In the dashboard, choose the Forms tab, make sure you're in the pop-up section, and then click on the Create Pop-up button. Give your pop-up a name. I'm going to name mine Cupcakes Forever. Then save and continue. Select subscribers or groups and then save and continue. Choose one of the templates you'd like to work with. And now before I start modifying this pop-up, I want to show you the different design orientations for each pop-up. Under Form Type, click on any of these options to change the design of the form. Also, don't forget to click on the Success page to modify what your subscribers see after they sign up to the form. Additionally, under the Sign Up Form settings, you can add more checkboxes or remove existing ones if you don't need them in your pop-up. Okay, so first I'm going to change the image here to match my website's branding. I'll upload an image from my file manager, but you can upload an image from your computer or from a URL, Google Drive, Giphy, or Unsplash. I'm also going to change the background color here to match my branding. The color of the button, so it's the same color as the buttons on my website. And the text. I'll change the color here to pure black for both the title and the text. And to change the write-up, click on the text and write your own. Okay, so now that I have my pop-up ready to go, I'm going to click Next. And here I'm going to adjust the behavior of this form. The Mode section helps you determine when the pop-up will show. After a certain amount of time, when the user scrolls down the page, or right before the user leaves the site. The frequency, how often this pop-up will show to the same visitor. So if you have subscribers that come back to read your blog every week, you can choose to show them the pop-up only once a month. You can also schedule a pop-up if you are launching a service or a product and want this pop-up to be activated on the day of the launch. You can also control the visibility of the pop-up and set it to appear on every page of your website or restrict it from appearing on certain pages. You'll need to copy and paste the URLs here. Now, if you choose strict equality, it will show or hide the pop-up on the specific URLs you typed in these fields. Lastly, you can choose to hide the pop-up on certain devices if you want. Once you're done modifying the section, click Save and Continue. This is a JavaScript snippet that you'll need to add to your website in order for this form to appear. If you're using WordPress or Shopify, install or update the official MailerLite sign-up form plugin for WordPress or download the MailerLite app for Shopify, and the tracking snippet will be added automatically. If you build your landing page or website with MailerLite, copy the snippet and paste it in the header code box. I'll demonstrate it at the end of the tutorial. Click Next. Here we're going to take a look at the analytics. Once this form is activated, this section will actually show you how many new subscribers joined your mailing list using this pop-up, how many website visitors, and what is the conversion rate. You can create an automation flow for the pop-up, so once a subscriber joined this form and you want to offer them additional information, discount, deals, products, etc., you can schedule a flow of newsletters and forms. Double opt-in means that your subscribers need to confirm their subscription after signing up to this form. It helps prevent bots and spam subscribers. This option sends them an email and asks them to confirm their subscription. The information here can be edited easily and at any time. Now, after they confirmed their subscription, they will land on the thank you page. You can edit the information right here. Use one of your landing pages to host the thank you page right here. Type your page's URL and save the information. You can preview the pop-up right here and keep editing till you're completely done and ready to publish it. The last step I'd like to show you is adding the pop-up to your website or landing page. Now, you can add the JavaScript snippet to any website, but if you build a website or a landing page with MailerLite, you'll need to go to your page settings, click on Analytics and Custom Code, scroll to the header code injection, and paste your JavaScript snippet right here. Click Save and Continue. And now, let's go check the page and see if the pop-up actually works. Yep, it's working. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the bell button below so you don't miss any new tutorials. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description section below. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.